Good morning class. So today we will study classes of food or types of nutrients. So first let us find out there are how many types of nutrients. There are 5 types of nutrients, that is carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Alright. So today we will first study carbohydrates in detail and then we will study the next nutrients in the following classes. So again, we can divide carbohydrates into 2 parts, sugars and starch. But before that, let's find out what a carbohydrate is. So carbohydrates are the nutrients that provide the body with its main source of energy. So whatever energy that we require, we basically get it from carbohydrates, right? And why do you need energy? In order to do everything, any and every activity requires energy. Say for example, you're going to school, coming back, playing games, studying, or any co-curricular activity for that matter, anything you're doing, you need your energy, right? And you are getting that energy from carbohydrates. Okay, now we are dividing our carbohydrates into how many parts? 2 parts, that is sugars and starch, right? Now let us study what are sugars, right? Now we are dividing sugars as well again into 2 parts, that is simple sugars and complex sugars, right? Now what are our simple sugars? Sugars that are easily water soluble are called simple sugars, right? Or simple carbohydrates. Now, so basically there are 4 types of simple sugars, that is glucose, fructose, lactose and sucrose. What is glucose? Basically your simple sugar molecules are only glucose. Okay. Next comes fructose. Where do you get your fructose from? You're taking in any kind of fruit, say for example apple, orange or anything, you're taking in fructose. Next is lactose. You get this from any milk product, say for example you're taking in milk, paneer, cheese or anything, you're taking in your lactose. And last but not the least, sucrose. That is basically in sugarcane, right? And the other part is complex sugar. Now let's find out what are complex sugars. Complex sugars are nothing but a combination of many molecules of simple sugar. Many molecules combined together, many molecules of simple sugars combined together to form what? Complex sugars, right? And it is generally found in wheat, corn, rice, bread, noodles and potatoes. Now do keep in your mind, you have to remember these for examples. This can come in the form of fill in the blanks, name the following and any short question for that matter. Now let's quickly go through the functions of carbohydrates, right? So carbohydrates are a quick source of energy for the body. We have already studied that they are the main source of energy, but carbohydrates are not only the source energy giving food. There are fats as well, but carbohydrates are the ones that can give you instant energy, right? And what if you take excess of carbohydrates? That is stored in the body as glycogen and fat. Say for example, to do some work you need, okay, so what I was telling you is, say for example, the energy you're getting from carbohydrates, maybe you're doing some work, right? You're using 50 calories and rest of the 50 calories are just, you don't need it, because in order to do that work you just need 50 calories, but you have taken in 100 calories, so the rest of the 50 calories gets stored in your body in the form of fats or glycogen, right? Now when this energy will be used, it will stay as a reserve in your body, right? Say for example, next time you're not eating anything, or say for example you're not taking a meal or something, you're directly doing a work, so that time these reserved energy will be used for you in order to do that work, right? So you can ask me if you have any questions, and you can ask me even if you have any doubt. So is there anything? Okay, so today we will do till here. So in the next class we will discuss in detail about fats. So for today's class we will keep it till here. Thank you.